I always like things when they're brand new, right? Okay, got a little filter click, it's right together. And it's attached to the cord right here, put it up together. Alright. So side, also on here, on this blue part, they have like a little slide-in feature that connects right to it. Just snap it back on the top with the gray piece that's on here. If you're connecting this to the pull off right at the bottom, so you don't have to take off the whole thing, slide it right back on. You ready? Turn it on so you...
Alright, so the crumbs got away from me.